No, that wasn't digital editing. And no, I didn't use expensive masking fluid. This is actually the oldest art hack in the book, and it creates the most satisfying magic Valentine's cards. And the best part, all you need is this. Today I'm turning this into invisible ink and testing a candle versus a crayon and versus an oil pastel to see which one works the best. Let's get painting. Before we make our final card, we need to know which household item actually resists water the best. So here I'm drawing the same exact heart shape with a cheap birthday candle, a standard wax crayon, and a white oil pastel. Okay, so the moment of truth. I'm using a very medium consistency of red watercolor paint. I really thought that the oil pastel would be the winner here, but look at that. The oil pastel is actually a bit too soft. It's smudging with the paint, it's sticking to the paint, but the crayon, it is creating the perfect waterproof barrier. I can't believe, but the clear winner is the cheap standard wax crayon you probably already have at home. And because my candle was a bit too big, so I couldn't make the heart very clear. And with the wax crayon and oil pastel, we could draw really precisely, but the clear winner is the wax crayon. Now let's move on to the common mistake. Even if you have the right tool, 90% of the beginners fail at this point with this hack because of one simple thing, which is called pressure, light pressure and heavy pressure. If you draw lightly, like you're sketching, just very lightly, like you see on the left side, there isn't enough wax on the paper. Whereas on the right side, I am going to use a heavy pressure and maybe I will go over the drawing maybe more than once so that I have enough wax on the paper. And now I'm going to use a same consistency of purple paint on both of these and you will see the difference. Look at the difference. On the left side, the paint actually soaked in with the wax pastel, whereas on the right side, you can see a clear contrast of it with the paint. So you need to press down until you physically feel a thick waxy coating on sitting on the top of the paper. That's the secret barrier. Okay, now that we have the secret recipe, the right tool and the heavy pressure, let's make the final card. I'm just drawing a random pattern of invisible hearts. So take your time to draw whatever you want, whatever you message you want to write. Take your time to do that. And if it is not visible to you while drawing, maybe you can use a pencil very lightly and then go over it with your wax crayon. That will be very easy. So here I'm going to use a mix of colors and it's time to reveal the magic. This is the most satisfying part. Just look at how the paint slips over right off the wax. It feels like magic every time. I'm using a mix of colors here, red, purple and pink. It's all dried up. Now let's peel off the tape and look at the final look of this beautiful magical card. How cool is that? A magic ink card in just under 5 minutes using the stuff that you might already have at home. I couldn't stop myself by creating another one, so here is another one that I created just for fun. Create as many as you like, put as many as colors as you want, it's going to be magical every time. I hope you all enjoyed this art hack, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And also let me know in the comments, have you ever tried the white crayon trick before? Yes or no? And if you want another cute Valentine's project, check out the bunnies that we painted last Thursday. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.